In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams stay organized and productive. One of its standout features is the ability to set up customized client portals, giving your clients access to the information they need in a clean, professional workspace. Whether you're managing projects, sharing updates, or collaborating on deliverables, a client portal can streamline communication and improve your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functional client portal tailored to your specific needs. Let's get started. First, open your ClickUp homepage. This is your main dashboard where all your spaces and tasks are organized. Once you're there, hover your mouse over your team space. If you're not sure what this is, it's the section where you manage projects and workflows specific to your team or organization. Now, look for the three dots next to your team space name. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open up additional options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Template. This will take you into ClickUp's template browser where you can explore pre-built workflows and layouts. Next, type the word Client or Client Portal into the search bar in the template browser. This will narrow down the results and show you templates specifically designed for client-facing workflows. Take a moment to preview the available templates. You'll want to evaluate their structure to see which one best fits your needs. Pay attention to the folder organization, task lists, and overall layout to find one that aligns with your workflow. Once you've chosen the template that works best for you, click on Use Template. This will begin the process of importing the template into your workspace. At this point, it's important to name your template descriptively. Think of something clear and specific so you can easily find it later. For example, you might name it Client Portal, Design Projects, or something similar that reflects its purpose. After naming your template, you can begin customizing it to suit your specific requirements. This is where you can really make the portal your own. You might want to swap out folders, add new lists, update the task statuses, or include personalized elements like client intake forms. The goal here is to ensure the portal matches your workflow and provides your clients with exactly the information they need. When you're happy with your customizations, click Use Template once more to finalize the setup and create your client portal space. This step applies all the changes you've made and sets the portal live in your workspace. Before you start using the portal, double-check that everything is accurate and well organized. Look through the client-specific details and make sure your workflows and tasks are properly set up. It's important to ensure the portal is clear and functional from your client's perspective. Finally, to enhance the usability and professionalism of your portal, consider adding optional client-facing instructions or an onboarding checklist. This can help guide your clients through the portal and ensure they know how to navigate it effectively. And that's it. You've successfully created a customized client portal in ClickUp. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.